How to fix error code 0xc004f213 in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that all updates for your operating system are applied first. Right-click on Start and pick Settings. Go to Update and Security section. Then here select Check for Updates and wait. Choose to install everything available including cumulative, security and optional updates. Once done, reboot your system. Then run Activation Troubleshooter. Built-in troubleshooters can resolve many issues including those that relate to licensing process. Open Settings, tap on the Update and Security, then select Activation from the left menu, and below the error message you should see several links you can click and choose Troubleshoot. Proceed with on-screen instructions and apply the suggested fixes. Then use a built-in command in command prompt to check your key. Type CMD in Windows Search, right-click on command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Then when user account controls shows up, click Yes, and once command prompt opens, copy and paste this command and press Enter. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.